In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Wix website to WordPress without any hassle. If moving your site from one platform to another feels overwhelming, don't worry at all. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and make the process much easier. First, let's start with your Wix website. Make sure your Wix site is published before doing anything else. This step is very important because only a live and published Wix site can be converted. If your site isn't published yet, log into your Wix account and publish it right away. Once your site is live, open your Wix website in a browser. Now, go to the address bar at the top and copy the full website URL. This is the live link to your site, and you'll need it in the next steps, so keep it ready. Next, head over to WordPress and log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center where you manage everything on your WordPress site. On the left-hand menu, scroll down until you find the option called Tools. Click on Tools, and then select Import from the submenu. Inside the Import section, you'll see different platform options. Look for the option that allows you to import content from Wix. WordPress provides this feature to make migration easier, so click on the Wix import option. When prompted, paste the Wix website URL you copied earlier and click Continue. WordPress will now begin converting your Wix website content into WordPress automatically. This process may take some time, especially if your site has a lot of pages or content, so be patient and let it run without interruption. Once the conversion is complete, take some time to review your new WordPress website. Check your pages, posts, and layout to make sure everything looks right, and make any necessary adjustments to fine-tune your site. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to convert your Wix website to WordPress smoothly and move to a platform that offers more flexibility and customization. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.